Hey there, awesome artists! Party Popper, welcome back to Zoonitoons, your super fun place for drawing, coloring, and letting your imagination fly. Today, we have something super powerful for you. We're drawing not one, but two of the most legendary anime heroes, Naruto and Goku. High voltage steaming bowl. Are you ready to bring these heroes to life with your pencils and colors? Let's jump right in. First up, it's Naruto Uzumaki. Fish cake with whirl orange art, the brave ninja of the Hidden Leaf Village. We'll start by drawing the shape of his head, adding his spiky hair, then sketching his determined eyes and that iconic headband with the Leaf Village symbol. Next, we'll work on his ninja outfit, the high-collared jacket, the zipper, and those little details that make Naruto so unique. Step by step, line by line, he'll come alive on the page. Standing strong and ready for his next mission. Once the outline is done, it's color time. We'll grab bright yellow for his hair, orange for his jacket, blue for his headband, and a hint of peach for his face and hands. Wow, he's already looking like he's about to use his shadow clone jutsu. Next, it's Goku. Martial arts uniform, high voltage, the mighty Saiyan warrior, standing tall and full of energy. We'll start with the shape of his head and that sharp jawline, then draw his confident eyes and big, wild hair. Make sure those spikes are tall and powerful like a true Super Saiyan. Now for his outfit. The martial arts GI with the belt tied at the waist, strong shoulders, and folds in the fabric to show movement. And now, color time. We'll use golden yellow for his hair, bright orange for his outfit, deep blue for his wristbands and belt, and a little shading to make his muscles stand out. Look at him, ready to power up and save the day. And there we have it, Naruto and Goku side by side, looking unstoppable. Glowing star. Naruto's ready with his ninja skills, and Goku's powered up for battle. Who do you think would win in a friendly match? I hope you had just as much fun drawing and coloring as I did guiding you through. If you enjoyed this anime art adventure, hit the like button, subscribe to Zoonitoons, and tap that bell so you never miss another epic drawing session. Until next time, keep creating, keep smiling, and remember, every hero starts with a single line. Bye bye, artists.